Hi guys, welcome back to your musicianship course. I am your one and only Ella, of course. So today we're going to be talking about secondary dominant chords. Now, so far in our class, we've been focusing mainly on diatonic harmonies, which means that the dictations and singing exercises we've done all tend to stay in one key, with teeny tiny harmonic inflections. Some of those inflections are purely decorative, and some of them have actual harmonic functions. So today we'll look at the ones that help us build secondary dominant chords. Let's listen to this first progression. Nothing beats a plain old 1-2-5-1 in the key of C major. Now I'm going to make a small change to the progression. See if you can spot it. Let's listen to it again. Now, is this still the 1-2-5-1 we know and love? I mean, it still sounds pretty much the same, except for one note. We've changed our F natural into an F sharp, thus making our D minor triad into a D major triad. If I were Dr. Krause, I would ask you, is there place for a D major triad in the key of C major? I mean, unless you want to talk about C Lydian mode, normally there isn't place for D major triad. I'm sure you're all getting impatient already. I'll just get to the point. This is our 5 of 5. Meaning that the D major triad is actually the 5 chord of, well, the 5 chord. I know that's a mouthful. If you think within the key of C major, your 5 chord is of course the G major triad. And in order for us to find its 5 chord, we have to think within the key of the 5, which is our G major. And in the key of G major, the 5 chord is actually a D major chord, which conveniently is our 2 chord, but with one different note. And that one different note is the sharp 4th in the key of C major, which acts as the leading tone of our dominant key. So here's your trick to catching that sneaky 505 on your next dictation test. If you hear Fi instead of Fa, and your 2 chord is being changed into a major triad, and all that leads to a 5 chord, chances are you have encountered a secondary dominant 505. And the good news is, the same rule applies to both major and minor keys.